This PC is my very first PC, and I've had it for over 5 years. Lately, it has given me some problems. Oh, you gotta be fucking shitting me.
Okay.
So I think it's time to upgrade. Today, we're gonna be going to Micro Center. This is gonna be my very first time ever going. We are gonna be upgrading my PC. Coming into Micro Center, I didn't know how many white PC cases there are, so I was really overwhelmed, and I couldn't decide which one to choose from. Looking at Micro Center's PC cases, they all look like fish tanks, and it's already a headache trying to find room on my desk, so I'm trying to find something a little bit smaller. I thought it was just this, but no, there's like a end piece right here. Good thing I went to Micro Center because they have the better version at the same price. This is me trying to look for NZXT fans. However, Micro Center is trying to push me to put Leanne fans instead. For this build, we are going with Asus ROG formula and i7-1400K, 2 terabytes of storage, NZXT's Kraken Elite 360 I/O. I almost forgot about the RAM. We went with 64 gigabits from T-Create, and this runs 60,000 megahertz.
Hours later.
And you can never forget about the graphics card. I went with the Asus ROG 4080, the overclock edition. So quick heads up. So if you are building into this NZXT H6 Flow case, you will need to buy one of two things. For me, since I am going all NZXT, I did need to buy an extra RGB controller because of the 2 bottom fans, and I thought the 2 fans already came with. However, that wasn't the case. So I did have to buy 2 extra fans, and it did have to come with an extra controller. If you were to swap your fans with the Lee fans or the Corsair fans or whichever brand, you do need to buy a set of 2, and I do recommend to buy an extra USB header or USB splitter, because one of them is already be taken up from your AIO and or your first set of fans already, and the other one could be taken up from something else, and you may want to add additional things to that USB header. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I had fun building this. Let me know down in the comments down below what you think about my PC versus the ones you have seen. Building this all-white PC, I'm super happy that I pulled the trigger to do it. And that is a wrap for today's video. Until then, guys, I will see you guys next time.